How to create discount on first order on Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create discount code on first order on Shopify store. It's gonna be very easy and simple step. So first you have to log into your Shopify account, and then in the dashboard you can navigate to discounts here. You can click on it, and then you can just click create discount here, and now you can just choose amount of products, and now you can create your discount code. So let's say maybe welcome 20. I'm gonna create 20% discount for all customers on their first purchase, and you can just applies to maybe specific collection or product. It's up to you. So I'm gonna choose maybe all of the collection. And then for the eligibility, make sure you have choose this one, specific customer segment, and then browse. And then you can choose customers who haven't purchased and click add. And then you can set the minimum requirement. You can set no minimum, and you can limit the the discount use. I'm gonna set it limit to one use per customer. And then you can choose the combination if you want. And for the active dates, because you want to create the discount for all your customer who hasn't purchased yet, you can make it forever, so you don't have to select this one. After that, you can just click save. So it's done. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.